Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to cover Elna versus Brother embroidery machines, which is right for you. When it comes to embroidery machines, two brands often stand out, Elna and Brother. Both have established a reputation for quality, innovation, and reliability, but they cater to different needs and preferences. If you're in the market for a new embroidery machine, understanding the differences between these two brands can help you make an informed choice. Let's break it down. Elna embroidery machines. Elna machines are known for their precision, durability, and versatility. They are favored by professionals and serious hobbyists who value fine craftsmanship and advanced features. Key features of Elna machines. Number 1, build quality. Sturdy construction ensures longevity and consistent performance. Number 2, advanced stitch options. Offers a wide variety of built-in embroidery designs and stitch types. Number 3, ease of use. Intuitive interfaces and clear manuals make them user-friendly for experienced crafters. Number 4, high customization. Many models are compatible with external software, allowing for extensive design personalization. Number 5, quiet operation. Ideal for those who work in shared or quiet spaces. Pros, excellent stitch quality, durable and long-lasting, great for intricate and detailed designs. Cons, higher price point. Limited budget-friendly options for beginners. Brother embroidery machines. Brother machines are celebrated for their affordability, user-friendly features, and adaptability. They cater to a wide range of users, from beginners to seasoned professionals. Key features of Brother machines. Number 1, affordability. Offers a variety of models at different price points. Number 2, wide range of models. From entry-level to advanced machines, there's something for everyone. Number 3, built-in designs and patterns. Many machines come preloaded with hundreds of designs, including licensed options like Disney. Number 4, connectivity. Most models allow for USB or wireless transfer of custom designs. Number 5, support and tutorials. Brother provides extensive online resources, tutorials, and customer support. Pros, budget-friendly options. Easy to learn even for beginners. Extensive library of built-in designs. Cons, slightly less durable than Elna models. May not offer as much precision for highly intricate work. Which is right for you? Choose Elna if you're an experienced embroiderer seeking professional-grade results. Durability and precision are your top priorities. You're willing to invest in a high-quality machine. Choose Brother if you're a beginner or hobbyist looking for a budget-friendly option. You want a machine with a variety of built-in designs and easy setup. You value connectivity and access to tutorials and support. At the end, both Elna and Brother offer excellent embroidery machines, but the best choice depends on your needs, skill level, and budget. Elna excels in precision and durability, making it ideal for professionals, while Brother stands out for its accessibility and affordability, perfect for beginners and casual crafters. Take the time to evaluate your embroidery goals and try out models from both brands to find the machine that's just right for you.